Welcome to Quick Pick. Top 10 Best Washing Machines 2025. Top 1. CoolMore Large Capacity Washer Plus Dryer Bundle, 4.5 cubic feet. Front Load Washing Machine 120V, FLW 5CWH, plus 8 cubic feet. Front Load Dryer 240V, FLD 8CWH. Premium Front Load Washer, designed with an ultra-quiet inverter motor and front-load access. This washing machine with 12 washing cycle supports towels, jeans, delicates, fitness wear, and all other fabrics with seamless washing. Multiple cycles and wash functions. The CoolMore front-loading washing machine offers simple steam and water plus functions, a 20-minute quick wash, and a max spin speed of 1200 RPMs to help customize your laundry washing experience. My Cycle Personalization. The innovative My Cycle feature lets you set your favorite cycle routine and automatically select it for quick washes in the future. High Energy Efficiency, HE, a smart choice for those looking to save on their electric bill without sacrificing clean clothes. This small washer machine is high efficiency to help reduce overall operational costs. Convenient, quiet operation. This unit features an inverter motor that helps keep the sound to a minimum, and so you can maintain peace of mind. Top 2. Samsung 6.0 cubic feet. Smart Dial Front Load Washer. Wash 2 loads in one large capacity machine. FlexWash, 28-minute super speed, clothes washing, steam stain removal, WV60A9900A VA5, brushed black. One machine, 2 washers. With FlexWash, you can wash 2 separate clothing loads at the same time in one machine, and wash each load with different cycles, settings, and options to keep all your clothes and fabric types clean and in great condition. Laundry just got smarter. Samsung's simple-to-use, AI-powered Smart Dial learns and recommends your favorite wash cycles, sets the right dryer cycle based on your wash cycle, and allows you to customize cycle list and change displayed language. Super speed washing. Wash a full load with full performance in just 28 minutes. With an added super speed dryer, achieve a complete wash and dry in under an hour. Control in the palm of your hand, Wi-Fi connected so you can receive end-of-cycle alerts, remotely start or stop your wash, schedule cycles on your time, and more, right from your smartphone with the SmartThings app. Top 3. CoolMore FLW 5CWH 27 inches Front Load X Large 4.5 cubic feet machine with quiet inverter motor, steam and water plus functions, 20-minute quick, 12 washing cycles 120V, white. Premium Front Load Washer, designed with an ultra-quiet inverter motor and front-load access. This washing machine with 12 washing cycle supports towels, jeans, delicates, fitness wear, and all other fabrics with seamless washing. Multiple cycles and wash functions. The CoolMore front-loading washing machine offers simple steam and water plus functions, a 20-minute quick wash, and a max spin speed of 1200 RPMs to help customize your laundry washing experience. My Cycle Personalization. The innovative My Cycle feature lets you set your favorite cycle routine and automatically select it for quick washes in the future. High Energy Efficiency, HE, a smart choice for those looking to save on their electric bill without sacrificing clean clothes. This small washer machine is high efficiency to help reduce overall operational costs. Top 4. COMFEE 24 inches Washer and Dryer Combo 2.7 cu.ft 26 pounds Washing Machine Steam Care, Overnight Dry, No Shaking Front Load, Full Automatic Machine, Dorm White. Wash and dry in one? COMFEE's all-in-one ventless washer and dryer combo has multi-modes to meet different washing demands: steam care, overnight wash and dry, wool setting, reload function, quick wash, pre-wash, delay start, child lock. Reduces wrinkles and odor? COMFEE 2.7 cu.ft washer and dryer combo is equipped with steam care, which significantly cares about your health. The steam permeates through fabrics over 30 minutes, removing dust and reducing wrinkles and odor. Make clothes ready tomorrow? Overnight wash and dry is a convenient, time-saving option. Your laundry can be washed and dried in one cycle, no need to move clothes from the washer and place them in the dryer. Dry, clean clothes are ready the next day. Top 5. Portable washing machine, 25 pounds full automatic portable washing machine with 8 water levels and 10 programs. Laundry drain, pump, gray low noise washing machine for camping, apartment. Large capacity for family use. The portable washer's inner drum can hold up to 25 pounds of laundry at a time, so you can do all your laundry at once, making it ideal for a family of 3 to 4 members. Reference weights for various clothing types are provided in the description and images. This washing machine helps you save energy and effort. Intelligent control panel. The control panel of the fully automatic washing machine has 10 washing programs, 4 water level modes, and 8 water level selections, which is very convenient. The LED display can clearly show the washing time. The child lock also ensures that the washing machine operates properly and protects the family at the same time. Automatic imbalance adjustment. The child lock function not only ensures the normal operation of the washer, but also protects the safety of your family. Top 6. SMAD 27 inches 4.5 cubic feet. Front-load washing machine with quiet inverter motor, steam and water plus functions, quick wash, 12 washing cycles, 120 V, white. Large wash capacity. 4.5 cubic feet capacity lets you clean large-sized loads, even clean a king-size comforter. Large wash capacity allows families of all sizes to cut laundry routine in half for less time in the laundry room and more time doing the things you love. Convenient operation. Equipped with an LED intelligent touch control panel, it allows for easy selection and adjustment of various functions. It offers 12 wash cycles, normal colors, bulky sheets, heavy-duty, whites, towels, quick wash, delicates, tub clean, rinse, and spin, and 9-button function, steam, signal, water plus, speed wash, extra rinse, pre-soak, control lock, my cycle, delay. Steam wash? The power of steam lets you gently remove stains without any time-consuming pre-treatments. Steam is released from the drum so every item in the load is thoroughly saturated, ensuring a deep clean. Top 7. Black Plus Decker 0.9 cubic foot portable washer, 6.6 pounds capacity washing machine for homes and apartments, 5 wash cycles, quick, connect sink adapter and drain hose included, transparent lid and LED display, BPWM09W, white. Multiple wash cycles, wash your laundry at home with this Black & Decker portable washer. Our portable clothes washer has 5 cycle selections, heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. Cold water wash only. This portable washing machine offers 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads up to 6.6 pounds capacity for cold water only temperature settings. Stainless steel tub. Our 0.9 cubic foot portable laundry machine features a durable, rust and corrosion resistant stainless steel wash tub with top loading transparent quiet close lid to view contents. Safety features. Our small washing machine features auto unbalance detection to ensure laundry is cleaned at peak performance, as well as auto shut-off safety features and child lock protection. Top 8. Portable washing machine, 28 pounds twin tub washer mini compact laundry machine with drain pump, semi-automatic 18 pounds washer, 10 pounds spinner combo for dorms, apartments, RVs. Large capacity twin tub washer. Our Tech portable mini washer has 2 separate tubs, washing tub and spin tub, allowing you to wash and dry clothes at the same time. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in bathrooms or closets. Perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, etc. Note: there is water in the washing machine because it is tested before packaging. We do not sell used products. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 1300 RPM's powerful motor, clothes can be washed quickly and efficiently. washer, 18 pounds, spin, cycle, 10 pounds. The transparent window allows you to see the process of washing or spinning. Our mini washer machine can achieve low consumption and save water, while free your hand. Top 9. Jontex Portable Washing Machine, Full Automatic Washer and Dryer Combo, with built-in pump drain 8 pounds capacity compact, laundry washer spin dryer for apartment RV dorm. Easy and convenient to use? Our Jontex Portable Full Automatic Laundry Washing Machine only needs a small space for store, which is a solution for compact living. Once you set the washing machine program, you could just leave it alone to work and do your own stuffs. It could relieve your hands and you could use the time to do other things. Water level and mode control. 6 programs for choosing: wash, rinse, spin, soak, wash, rinse, spin, wash, rinse, spin, spin. With 3 water level, L/16LM/23LH/30L. You could adjust a different washing mode through the wash push button and control the water level via the switch. Different clothes have different washing and water level requirement. You can stop wasting hours keeping an eye on washing machine for its full automatic cleaning mode. Top 10. Midea MLH25N7BWW Compact Front Load Machine, 24 inches energy and space-saving washer, steam care and cold wash stackable, laundry, for family daily use, 2.5 QFT, white. Powerful steam for gentle cleaning. The power of steam pre-treats your fabric by penetrating deep into fabric fibers to loosen stains, but is still gentle on your clothing. The motor you can rely on, quieter and efficient operation with the Midea brushless inverter motor. A 10-year warranty backs it. Reduce color fading and shrinking without losing the cleaning power with the cold wash cycle. The cold wash cycle also saves energy. Super clean, the internal heater brings water temp up to 152 F to handle tough stains and pet dander. Warning: to prevent the washer from moving around while running. 1. Loosen all bolts with a spanner and then remove them. 2. Cover the holes with transport hole plugs. 3. Keep the transport bolts for future use. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.